The engineering world has always had a problem, not because the engineers were wrong, because the tools between design intent and delivered outcome are inadequate to resolve the problem. The rework, the delays, the cost overruns. None of it was random, it was predictable. It repeated, and nobody stopped it. ZestineTech was built by engineers who lived this, not consultants. Not developers who studied the problem from outside. Engineers who coordinated across disciplines, who absorbed the cost of missed clashes, who delivered projects where the margin for error was zero. We didn't build a product, we built the solutions where projects' most expensive failures occur. ZestineTech empowers engineering teams with intelligent solutions that connect people, processes, and data from design through delivery. ZestineTech develops practical engineering solutions that address critical operational challenges, enabling organizations to reduce rework, improve resource utilization, and achieve greater control over project and business outcomes. ZestineTech finds it out, by the engineers for the engineers, born from engineering practice, built for real-world delivery, engineering done right, the first time.